under the guidance of our teacher Ms. Harpreet Kaur. A smoke detector is a device that senses smoke, typically as an indicator of fire.
Components that are required to make this project: Arduino Uno board, breadboard, MQ2 module, sensor, jumper wire, register, LED and buzzer. Principle of MQ2 module sensor. The MQ2 has an electrochemical sensor which changes its resistance for different concentrations of varied gases. Advantage of MQ2 module sensor. The MQ2 module is useful for gas leakage detection due to its high sensitivity and fast response time. Measurement can be taken by as soon as possible.
Application of MQ2 sensor. These sensors are used to detect the presence of gases in the air such as methane, butane, LPG and smoke, but they are unable to distinguish between gases, thus they cannot tell which gas it is. Now let me show you the working of this project. As we put the smoke on MQ2 sensor, then the buzzer will start beeping and LED also start glowing. And special thanks to Atal Innovation Mission for providing us this facility in our school.